Hello, respected viewers, audiences, students, professionals, educators, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings from NSRIC and its subsidiaries. I welcome you to the introduction of my course, Techniques for Writing and Publishing a Better Research Articles. This course is specifically designed for the students, researchers, and professionals interested in understanding and developing a research article in the field of their expert areas. This is an important course for the audiences who are interested in writing research article, wanted to be a terrific writer and building their career in this domain. The course introduces fundamental concept and an in-depth analysis on how to write an effective and best quality research articles in any field of study. It offers an understanding of logical and structural techniques, skills, research types, and research methodologies. In addition, the course covers the structure of a research paper, post-research activities, where to publish, and the selection of journals and steps to be followed for potential publication. Concepts, theory, and examples are blended through clear lecture notes, live sessions, learning activities, understanding questions, and research articles. 4 case studies are also included to relate and apply the theoretical and conceptual topics added in the course to showcase students' understanding. The course is designed for individuals and students who are in need to understand the basics of scientific writing skills and subject matter too. The course contains a total of 15 lectures and 4 research articles, where each lecture comprises with 20 to 35 PowerPoint presentation slides and PDF document. This project is aiming to offer a hands-on experience by writing research articles which students can publish in reputed journals and international conferences. Before saying bye to you, let me introduce myself. This is Professor Enamul Hussain, the NSRIC Chair in Sustainable Energy Division of Online Education at NSRIC, Canada. I have about 2.5 decades of academic and industry experience at different organizations around the globe, including statutory chair professor position at Memorial University in St. John's, Newfoundland, Canada. I am an academic leader who established different organizations to serve mankind in education. I have about a decade of industry experience and published over 200 scientific articles, dozens of books, and 11 US patents. I served in different academic and leadership positions at different institutions. I supervised 100 plus graduate students who have been awarded master's and PhD degree and mentored few hundreds of undergraduate students and young professionals. I am currently working as a curriculum consultant and offer different training programs to the oil and gas industries, hoping to bring more exciting courses for you in future. Thank you so much for watching this introductory video and staying connected with NSRIC for more and more valuable and thrilling courses related to the specific topics on our NSRIC platform. Finally, I would cordially request our viewers, audiences, and well-wishers to follow and subscribe to our channel, which will help us in disseminating knowledge, a novel profession. Stay safe. Have a wonderful day. Bye.